Binance Pool is an innovative and reliable platform for cryptocurrency mining, offering advanced features and tools for miners of all levels. Upon entering the Binance Pool homepage, users are greeted with a sleek interface that provides clear navigation options. The platform supports mining for a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, making it a versatile choice for mining enthusiasts. Users can easily set up their mining operations using the detailed step-by-step guides provided by Binance. Binance Pool offers a competitive fee structure and features such as real-time monitoring, which allows users to keep track of their mining performance. Additionally, the integration with the broader Binance ecosystem means that miners can easily transfer their earnings to their Binance wallet or exchange them for other cryptocurrencies with minimal hassle. The pool uses a transparent reward system, ensuring that miners are fairly compensated for their contributions. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One of the standout features of Binance Pool is its robust security measures. It employs cutting-edge technology to protect users' assets and data, offering peace of mind to miners. Binance also provides customer support to assist users with any queries or technical difficulties, making it an accessible platform even for beginners. The platform's dashboard is user-friendly and provides detailed analytics and reports on mining performance. It's an ideal choice for those looking to optimize their mining strategy using data-driven insights. Whether you're mining solo or part of a team, Binance Pool offers flexibility and scalability to meet diverse needs. Don't miss the chance to elevate your crypto mining journey. Subscribe for more insights and reviews, and don't forget to like the video.